In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF with clickable links in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure you are looking at the frame or page where you want the link to live. If your text isn't created yet, add a text layer first and type out the words you want to become a link. Keep your link text short, clear, and descriptive, so it's obvious what happens when someone clicks it in the PDF. Next, select the text you want to make clickable. Click into the text layer and highlight exactly the portion you want to link. You can highlight a single word, a phrase, or the entire line. Only the highlighted part will become the hyperlink in the PDF. If you change your mind, just adjust the selection before adding the link. With the text highlighted, press Ctrl-K on Windows or CMD, plus K on Mac, to bring up the link input box. You'll see a small field pop up where you can type or paste the destination. This is the spot where you provide the full URL. Paste your URL into the box. Then press Enter to confirm. Be sure to include the full address with HTTP or HTTPS, so most PDF viewers recognize it correctly. After pressing Enter, the link is attached to that highlighted text. Keep in mind, your text style won't automatically change to blue or underlined. That's just a visual choice. If you want it to look like a link, you can style it that way. But the functionality is already there once you confirm the URL. Now it's time to export. Go to the File menu and choose Export Frames to PDF. Figma will package your frames as pages in a single PDF. Pick a file name and a location, then save. Figma handles the technical details in the background so your text links remain active. Once the download finishes, open the PDF and check your link. Click the link text to make sure it takes you to the correct destination. Test any other linked text you created as well. If a link doesn't work, return to your Figma file, reselect the text, and verify that the URL is complete. And confirmed with Enter. That's it. Thanks for watching.